Making sense of phrasal verbs, a comprehensive guide. Hello language learners. In this video, we're going to unlock the mysteries of phrasal verbs in English. These unique constructions can seem complicated, but with a little practice, you'll be using them like a native speaker in no time. Phrasal verbs are combinations of a verb and a particle, which is usually a preposition or adverb. The verb and the particle together create a meaning that is different from the individual words. Let's look at a common phrasal verb. Look up. Look, on its own means to direct your gaze, and up often describes a direction, but when you look up a word, you're searching for its definition. In English, we use phrasal verbs all the time. They can change the meaning of a sentence, make language more informal, or help us express complex ideas in a simple way. For example, if you give up smoking, you stop doing it. If you turn down a job offer, you refuse it. So, learning phrasal verbs is a key part of mastering English. This is where things get interesting. Phrasal verbs can be intransitive. They don't need an object, or transitive. They do need an object. For instance, in the sentence, she woke up is an intransitive phrasal verb. But in, she looked up, the word, looked up, is a transitive phrasal verb and the word is its object. Here's an important note. For many transitive phrasal verbs, the object can go either between the verb and the particle or after the particle. For example, both she looked up the word and she looked the word up are correct. However, if the object is a pronoun, it has to go between the verb and the particle. She looked it up, not she looked up it. Let's do some practice. Try to write sentences using these phrasal verbs. Pick up, run out, and turn on. Remember, practice is the key to mastering phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs may seem tricky at first, but don't be discouraged. With practice, they'll become a natural part of your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, every step forward is a step towards mastery. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.